can we eat with a 500 pesos budget to spend for our dinner? So now we're here at Bulgogi Brothers by the Bistro Group. Meron sila dito promo that would fit our 500 pesos budget. Let's go inside and see what the hype is all about. Tom na rin kami. Kain tayo. Alright guys, so we're here. Ayan, Itaewon. I heard meron kayong promo na magkakasya tong budget namin dito.
GB only. 395 only. It comes with 1 rice, 1 iced tea, and unlimited side dishes.
I got the kimchi, tsaka yung
Tteokbokki,
Enoki beef.
kimchi dumpling, and enoki beef and pork belly.
Get 1 kimchi dumpling, enoki beef, and pork belly. We just ordered. Now, let's just wait for our food to arrive.
wow, kakaiba.
The drink, corn iced tea. Nakaka-refresh. Side dishes. Anchovy. Marble potato. Wow.
Pickled radish, kimchi,
Oh. Kimchi dumpling, the appetizer. Sauce. The rice is here. Oh. Alright guys, so the entree is here. Beef enoki and pork belly. And let's see kung mabubusog ba tayo. Kimchi dumpling. Patatas. Saya, busog level.
wala pa. 20% pa lang.
Busog level.
30.
10%. Let's eat. Let them cook. Wow! Sarap. Grabe. And our busog level right now is 50.
85% na ako.
Gangnam Style. Eh. Oh yeah! Last one. And tapos na ako. Simot, ang aking entry ay ubos na. Ang aking rice ay ubos na. Ang aking appetizer ay ubos na. And ang aking drink ay ubos na. And ang side dish hindi maubos kasi unlimited. Nabusog ba sila? Saya.
9 out of 10. Nabusog ako. So, approve.
Ikaw, Nat.
9.5 and busog. Approved.
9.5 din, and nabusog ako.
Ako, I'm gonna rate it a good 10 and busog! Once again, we just want to thank Bulgogi Brothers by the Bistro Group letting us try Korean barbecue. Just 395 for the BB All Day promo. Napagkasya natin ang ating 500 pesos budget. Isa.